Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about what is Medicare and Medicaid and what is the difference between Medicare and Medicaid. So first is, what is Medicare? Medicare is nothing but a federal insurance program. So federal means like it is not state-wise, it is for the whole country. Okay, that is Medicare, and it's for people 65 and older. So if you are 65 and old, you are eligible for Medicare. But there are also some other options. Okay, if you are under 65 and if you want to become eligible, there are some conditions. If you have end stage renal disease, or if you have some cancer, specific type of cancer, or mental disorders. So for even if you are under 65 and if you have these conditions, then you are eligible for Medicare. So, but primarily the people who will be eligible is 65 and older. Okay, so if you turn 65 today, you will be eligible for Medicare. Okay, that's the whole point of Medicare. So it's a federal program, federal in the sense for all the states, all the 50 states in the US. So it's not a state program, it's a federal program. There are different parts of Medicare, like Medicare Part A, Part B, Part C and Part D. So you, depending upon what conditions you have, you'll be eligible for those programs. Okay, and so what is the meaning? Meaning is, now going forward, the government will be covering all your expenses for all your diagnosis. Okay, now let's see what's the difference. What is Medicaid and what is the eligibility for Medicaid? Medicaid is basically for low income people. So if you are having a low income and you don't have employment and your average salary is very low, then you are eligible for Medicaid. And this is a state program. So this is like state-wise. Okay. So, and also if you are pregnant and if you don't have any resources, then also Medicaid will cover your all your cost. So what's the difference? If you say what is the difference here, basically the major group is low income and then pregnant people. Okay, and it can be of any age. Okay, now let's see what's the difference between Medicare and Medicaid. It's very important interview question. What's the difference between Medicare and Medicaid? So Medicare, in the sense, first is it is for majorly 65 and old people, and if you are under 65, if you're under 65, you should have some disabilities or some medical conditions. So Medicare is a federal program. So, and the criteria is you should be above 65 and or you should have some specific disability conditions. Okay. Next is, what is Medicaid? So Medicaid is a state program, and Medicaid is majorly for low income and pregnant people. So if they ask the difference, you should be able to say Medicare is a federal insurance program and Medicaid is a state program, and Medicare is for 65 and older people, where Medicaid is for low income group. That's how you need to answer.